Postal Ballot Section 265. A postal ballot is a voting process conducted by companies to seek approval from shareholders on specific resolutions through postal or electronic means, instead of convening a physical general meeting. It allows shareholders to participate in decision-making remotely, ensuring broader shareholder engagement and convenience. Key points. 1. Purpose. Postal ballots are used for seeking approval on significant matters that require shareholder consent but do not necessarily warrant a physical meeting. They enable shareholders to vote on resolutions such as appointment or removal of directors, approval of related party transactions, alteration of company articles, etc. 2. Procedure. The company prepares and sends a notice along with relevant documents containing details of the proposed resolutions to all shareholders eligible to vote. Shareholders cast their votes by completing the postal ballot form or electronic voting platform provided by the company within the stipulated time frame. Votes are counted and results are announced in accordance with the Companies Act and applicable regulations. 3. Regulations. Postal ballots are governed by provisions under Section 110 of the Companies Act, 2013, and rules prescribed by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA, and Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, for listed companies. Companies must adhere to procedural requirements, ensure confidentiality of votes, and maintain records of postal ballot proceedings for inspection by regulatory authorities. 4. Advantages. Enhances shareholder participation and engagement by providing a convenient voting mechanism. Facilitates timely decision-making on critical resolutions without the logistical challenges of organizing physical meetings. Promotes transparency, accountability, and compliance with corporate governance norms. Legal framework. Companies Act, 2013. The Act mandates procedures for conducting postal ballots, including issuance of notice, circulation of voting forms, counting of votes, and declaration of results. SEBI regulations. Listed companies are required to comply with SEBI, listing obligations and disclosure requirements, regulations, 2015, which specify additional requirements for conducting postal ballots and ensuring fair practices.